How to fix Facebook login error. Subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on for more videos like this. So if you are unable to log into your Facebook, here are a few fixes that I could recommend. First, we are going to the settings of your phone and go to the app list under app management and search for your Facebook app. So once we are here on our Facebook app, we could go to storage and clear the cache of the app, just like this one. And also what we would do is to clear the data. So this would reset Facebook and all of its contents. So once we have done that, we are headed to Play Store. So in Play Store, just simply type in Facebook, and in Facebook we can see here there are updates available. So if there are updates available, just click on the updates so that the app will be updated. So the next thing is to install this Parallel app. So in the Parallel app, it will clone the Facebook app, and you can simply just add in the Facebook once you have installed it, and you can safely open and log into your Facebook account. So that's it for the tutorial today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.